How to create new account on Mobile Legends. So if you want to create a new account on Mobile Legends, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Mobile Legends application. After opening your Mobile Legends, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Now from the profile, you need to go with account. Under account, here on the right side, you will have an option of switch account. So tap on switch account and tap on switch account again. And from here, you can go with your Google, Facebook, TikTok, or VK, anything that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with the Moontune account. And here you will have this kind of interface. So you can just simply go with your email address or your Moontune account, and you can create a password and then click on the login, which will log you into your other account. Or if this doesn't work, then you can just go back, exit the game. After exiting the game, now you need to tap and hold on to your Mobile Legends. Go with the app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache. And here you need to go and tap on clear storage. After clearing your storage, it will remove all of the data from your application, your login information and everything. And once you remove all of the data from your application, then it will be as new as you've downloaded, and you can go and create a new account after that. So that's how you can create, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.